In a world where silence is rare and space feels limited, there exists a hidden transformation that changes everything you thought you knew about living. What once was ordinary, cold, and forgotten has now become something alive, something breathing with light. It begins with emptiness, a plain surface, a space that people once walked past without a second thought. No warmth, no identity, just structure and stillness. But stillness is never truly empty. It waits. Then, slowly, something shifts. A faint glow appears in the darkness, like a pulse awakening beneath the surface. Lines of light begin to trace the edges of forgotten geometry, as if the space is remembering what it was always meant to become. The coldness doesn't disappear, it transforms. It becomes the foundation of something extraordinary. The atmosphere changes first. The air feels different, charged, almost electric. Shadows no longer sit still, they move with intention, shaped by unseen design. Every corner begins to respond, as if the space is aware it is being reborn. Light flows like energy through invisible pathways, turning silence into rhythm. Reflections multiply, stretching perception beyond what feels physically possible. The boundaries of the space begin to dissolve, replaced by depth that seems endless. What was once rigid and forgotten now feels alive with motion and emotion. The environment no longer serves as a backdrop. It becomes an experience. Every surface, every angle, every reflection works together in harmony, creating a sense of immersion that pulls you inward. And then comes the feeling of presence, not just seeing the space, but feeling it respond. Subtle changes ripple through the environment like breath. It reacts, it adapts, it evolves with every passing moment. There is no longer separation between structure and imagination, between material and mood, between reality and vision. This is not just transformation, it is reinvention. A reminder that even the most overlooked places hold the potential to become something unforgettable, something futuristic, something alive with possibility. And in that moment you realize it was never just about changing a space. It was about awakening it.